Good Monday, Memorial Day. What are we making today? We're doing a redo. Why? A couple of years ago I made Underwood deviled ham hot stuffed eggs. They're stuffed with deviled ham and yolk and deep fried. When I was making the eggs, they were kind of off the camera. So we're redoing it. It's Memorial Day. This is from Underwood Deviled Hams, the Little Red Devil recipe book from the 1920s. It calls for 6 eggs, we're only making 2. So instead of adding a whole can, we're going to add a third. Up until recently, these were still wrapped in the paper wrappings. For as long as I can remember, they were in the paper wrappings. You know, you had to undo the paper and you had like just a tin can. All good things. The basic idea, you take 2 hard-boiled eggs, slice them in half, dig out the yolks, mix the yolks with a little mustard and deviled ham, stuff the mixture back into the yolks, roll the eggs twice in beaten egg and breadcrumbs, fry it in some oil. We're going to use corn oil today. I don't know why I'm so into Mazola. I know it's not really healthy for you, but I really like how it fries. Full recipe is in the description. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. How much water? Where's the water? 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, so I just need a little bit of water.
Here we go. The egg. Oh, it's slippery! It's slippery! Into the crumbs. Back in the eggs. Back in the crumbs. Oh, it's coming off. What? Oh, it's so slimy. Roll it in breadcrumbs. Back into the egg. It's not sticking. And number 2. Let's sit for 15 minutes.
Underwood deviled ham, hot stuffed eggs redo. Here we have some basic white sauce. It's just butter, flour, half and half. Oh, I put a little bit of nutmeg, just a pinch of nutmeg, and a little salt and pepper. It's our Underwood deviled ham redo. It's a little spotty, but it holds together. That's pretty cool. You don't think it's going to hold together. Let's do it. Let's dip it. Oh, whoa. Okay. I should have bit the other end. Oh. I want to bite into the filling. Let's try again. Oh. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Mmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. It is very good. It's certainly novel. It's certainly a novelty. Let's try one more bite here. Mmm. Oh, I got a mouthful of filling. Mmm. You know, if you have company over and you want to see a smile on their face, you could make this. It is very good. The crust holds pretty well on the egg, I'm surprised. Mmm, oh. Filling. Mmm. It's holding together. Oh, it's really good with the cream sauce. Hey, I'm glad I did it again. In the previous one, I was assembling the eggs kind of off camera. I think I got them on camera this time. The last bite, huh? Memorial Day last bite. Oh, I'm going to get a whole bunch of filling at the end of this one. Thanks for joining me this Memorial Day weekend. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.